In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to add or create Google Chrome Incognito Mode shortcut in your taskbar. So without any further ado, let's begin. First things first, we need to create an Google Chrome shortcut rather. So by that here at the button search bar, please type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until you'll get to see a best match, which is the Google Chrome app, before we continue. Once it's here, directly navigate to the right side. Wait until you can see an option, which is this one. So click on this down arrow key to expand or reveal other option and proceed to open file location. The moment you click on it, you would be able to be redirected to this kind of window where here you need to select for shortcut, make a right click, and click on this copy icon. Once done, close the window being opened, and here please make a right click and click on paste. Okay, so once you have successfully created a Google Chrome shortcut here at the desktop, before we continue to the creating for incognito mode shortcut and the pinning for the taskbar, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So by that here at the Google Chrome, make a right click and then you need to scroll down and go with properties. The moment you have opened the properties, you would be able to see their target, and here you need to go to the end of the target. So use your right arrow key and select go to the end of the target, then put a single space by clicking the spacebar once, and then put a hyphen and type for incognito. Once done, click on apply, and then we need to change the icon. Click on it and choose for this incognito icon and click on the OK button. Click on apply and then OK. Once you've set it here, you need to make a right click and then go with show more options, and there you can see pin to taskbar. Okay, so we just have to make a right click here and there is show more options and go with pin to taskbar. Once you've pinned it, okay, eventually in a few seconds you would be able to pin that or to create here at the taskbar and then the incognito mode shortcut. So click on it. The moment you click it once, you would be able to open or use the Google Chrome in incognito mode or in private mode. So this is good for, to keep your browsing private, okay? Or to keep your browsing more secure, you can use this one. So that's it. You can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.